This is a story about data. Data that is changing the very DNA of manufacturers today by providing the visibility and insights to transform their industries and operations. Google Cloud is helping manufacturers accelerate their data transformation story with secure, data-driven solutions that transform factory floor operations, bringing together connectivity, factory data, AI at the edge, along with data analytics and management in the cloud. Manufacturers generate real-time insights that improve production uptime, throughput, quality, and yield, from producing cars to packaging food and everything in between, all relying on Google Cloud's world-class expertise in data, AI, and analytics, integrating market-leading products from BigQuery to Vertex AI and Data Studio. Our story begins on the factory floor. Let's follow the assembly line of an automotive manufacturer. At the edge, up to billions of data points are recorded per day in real time using Manufacturing Connect, the edge platform co-developed with Litmus Automation that quickly connects to and streams data from nearly any asset and system to Google Cloud. In the cloud, data is seamlessly processed using the Manufacturing Data Engine, the cloud solution to process, contextualize, and store factory data. Factory managers and production engineers are able to get the end-to-end view of our car assembly line and beyond, from factories and production lines down to the individual machines and sensors. Integrated visualization and analytics tools like Looker, Data Studio, and Grafana make it easy to visualize, monitor, and explore operations, providing real-time insights. AI-driven operations optimizations accelerate time to value for advanced use cases such as automated quality control, anomaly detection, and predictive maintenance. And so, the story continues. From data to business outcomes, Google Cloud helps manufacturers transform their operations at scale. Where are you on your data journey?